Welcome to the training. In this video, we are going to go through our document for our ebook, that all the content that we've Welcome to the training. In this video, we're going to take the content that we created for our ebook, our lead magnet, and we're going to go ahead and pull that into Google Docs, and we're going to format our ebook. So right here, I have the Notes app. I did if I didn't close it. Actually, it was a text app. I know that. I was making sure you were paying attention. As you see on the screen, I have the note. As you see on the screen, I have the text file open that has all of the information for our ebook. What we're going to do at this point is two different things. We're going to start by going back to Photopea, and we're going to export the full resolution image of the cover. So we're going to go ahead and click File, Export As, and then we're going to go JPEG. We're not going to touch the size. We're going to just change the name. I'll call it Web Design Ebook Hero. I'll click Save. I don't really care about the upsell. I'm going to go ahead and click X. Then I'm going to come over to a new tab, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to these 9 dots here, which opens up all the Google apps, and I'm going to come down to Google Docs, and I'm going to click on Google Docs. And then I'm going to click on Blank Document, and now I'm going to start, we'll click Got It. All right, and now I'm going to start going through and actually creating our ebook. So I'm going to start by clicking Insert. We'll click Image, Upload from Computer. Come on with the bullshit. Go back to new website files, and here we go. All right, so let's put all right, so now that we have a blank document open inside of Google Docs, what we're going to do is we're going to start by going ahead and putting in the cover on the very front page. So we're going to click on Insert, we'll click on Image and Upload from Computer. We'll click on Website Files, and we'll come into where we actually have our image. And we'll select the image that is the full resolution, which is 1500 by 2400 in the dimension. So we're going to click on Open. Let's go ahead and move this up. Let's undo. Right click. Click on Image Options, Text Wrapping, size and rotation. Adjustments, alt text. Why is this not working? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shrink this, and I'm gonna make sure this is selected. We're gonna go center. All right, so if we look at the front page, we have, there we go. Maybe there we go. All right, so we have the image of the ebook cover as, why did it not? Let's undo that. And we're going to stretch it out to make sure that it fits the entire page. We're going to make it a little bit smaller to make sure it doesn't bleed over. Okay, now from here, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to jump into chapter 1. So we're going to come back into our text file that has our book content, and we're going to come down. We're going to look at the outline. We're going to go, okay, we're going to grab this. We're going to make sure we're at the top of the page. We'll come down. I'm going to go ahead and go 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to paste it in. We're going to go ahead and highlight this content. We'll right click. Click edit. Maybe click go under format, paragraph styles, align and indent. So once we paste it in and we have it once we have it pasted in, we'll highlight this. We'll come up to format. We'll go to align and indent and click on center. Then we're going to come under, where are we at? Here we go. We're going to go ahead and make it bold. We'll make it italics, and I'm going to underline it. And then I'm going to go ahead and undo that. I'm going to highlight this again, and we're going to change this to make it bigger. We'll go to 14. I'm going to go ahead and 2-line it. And then we'll come down here, and we see everything is back to normal. So I'm going to come back to the text file. And I'll come down and grab the first chapter. And I actually, before I do that, actually, no, I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. I'll come back because I think I messed up. We'll go back to text edit. We're going to come back to the introduction, right? So we have introduction. We're going to go ahead and grab introduction. Introduction. You should know. I like that. Basic, simple. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. And we'll come all the way down. And what was this? And then we're going to go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're at 8. So we're going to come down, all the way back down. All right, so we'll come all the way down to here. Okay, and we're going to put this here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's the title. So we're going to come in back to the text edit. And we're going to grab chapter 1. We'll copy that. We'll come over here, paste it in. We're going to highlight this. We're going to go bold, italics, underline, 2, 3, 4. Or was it 16? I think it was 16. No, it was 14. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that. Two, 3. There. We're going to go back to the thing. Text edit. We'll come down to the second one and we'll highlight this information or this content. We'll copy, come over here, paste it in. Actually, let's undo that. Undo those and then paste it in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll come back to this. Text edit. We'll come down to the next one. We're going to need the title, so we're going to come up to the outline. I'm going to chapter 2. We'll copy that, bring it over here. We'll paste it in. Bring it to the end. Bring that down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Cool, man. We're going to go ahead, bold, italics, underline. So we're going to change this to 11. Hold shift and go down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to 11 and I'm going to actually make this justified. So we'll go ahead and make sure it's all selected. Okay. We're going to make this 11. We're going to go format, align and indent, justified. And let's do this again. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the cursor. We're going to go ahead and hold shift and go up. Then we're going to go format, align and indent, justified. All right. So now we know how this works. Let's go ahead and I think this was the end of the. Okay, so we'll go all the way up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go format, align and indent, center. And then come back to our notes. And we're going to grab chapter 2, right? Yep. And then we'll come in. We'll go back to text edit. Introduction, chapter 1. Chapter 2 starts with crafting CTAs. We'll format, align and indent, justified. Paste that in. We'll come up. This is going to be down to 11. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And what we're going to do at this point, all right, that way all the stuff is set. So we're just going to come in chapter 2, chapter 2, chapter 1, 2, 3. Then we'll come back here. We'll copy that, come in here, highlight this, paste that in. We'll come back here. Nope, wrong one. Come on down. We'll go ahead and paste that in. And then this is going to be, if we come in here, we'll come back to the top and conclusion. Let's go. You can do it yourself. Sure, why not? So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to leave that one there. We're going to come all the way down. We'll delete that. I'm going to go ahead and shift, come down. We'll delete all this. Maybe. There we go. All right. Then we'll come back. We'll grab this. We'll copy the content. We'll come up here. Let's bring it down one and paste in the content. Then we're going to go ahead and delete this. Bring it up one. And there we go. All right, so let's go. How many pages is this? I don't see it. Anyways, all right, so we have the content in. We've put it into. Okay, so now we've added the cover. We've put in the content into Google Docs for us to actually create our ebook. What we're going to do at this point, once everything is finished, then you see we've just created, literally in a matter of just 30 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that, 11-page ebook. So, and we'll call it 10 because the first page is the cover. So we'll call it a 10-page ebook to help you build leads, generate leads, all that fun stuff. What we're going to do from here, we're going to click on File. We're going to come down to Share. We're going to come down to Download, and then we're going to click on PDF document. It's going to come in untitled. It's going to go ahead and download it. We have it as the untitled document. We'll open this folder. We'll right click. I'm going to go ahead and rename this document. Name it the Professional Website Playbook. Now that I have this renamed and I have the PDF document, I'm going to open up my main folder that I have with all my documents. I'm going to come under the brand files, and I'm going to move that into the brand files. Now, I also have this folder synced in with Dropbox. So if I right-click this, I can see where it says copy Dropbox link. If you do not have Dropbox synced with your actual computer, you can always upload this file directly to your Dropbox account and get the share link that way. So if you click copy Dropbox link, it's going to copy the main link for that file. Unfortunately, if we come over to our browser and we paste that link in and hit return, you'll see it goes to the actual shared page. This is not what we want. What we want is a downloadable link. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to open up a new text document or a notes app or something, and we're going to edit the link to make sure that it's a direct download link. So if we come into a new document or something where we can make some edits, we're going to go ahead and paste it in. And you see here we have the full link for the document that we have uploaded. That is our new ebook lead generation. That is our new ebook lead magnet. So we're going to go ahead and make two changes. We're going to come in where it says www, and we're going to delete that and then change it to DL. And then at the end of Dropbox, before the dot, and then at the end of Dropbox, before the .com, we're going to add user content. So the link itself will be https://dl.dropboxusercontent.com/ and then the rest of the link that you had downloaded from, and then the rest of the link that you had copied from Dropbox. So now you have a direct download link for your Dropbox content. So we're going to go, and now you have a direct download link for your lead magnet ebook. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. And you can use this link moving forward anytime that you want to actually share the direct download link. So at this point, you can use pretty links, which we will cover in a later video, to create a short link for the download. And when we get to the lead generation page, and when we get to the lead generation segment of this training, when we get to the lead generation part of the web design, and when we get to the lead generation part of the easy website template, you'll be able to use this to create the download link. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Be great, stay boosted, and I'll see you at